Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus opportunities from Deloitte, Tata AIA Life, Textron and Amdocs. There is no percentage criteria, all branches are eligible. So this is a freshers opportunity where all freshers must apply. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring update is from Textron. Textron is hiring for engineer graduate. So talking about the eligibility, then you should be having your BE Tech in mechanical or avionics, where they are hiring for Bangalore location and this is a full-time opportunity. Then as the company is related to aviation, then you should be having fundamental knowledge related to mechanical and avionics with a knowledge in aircraft system, its operation and its manufacturing. And if you are familiar with the tools like CAD, CATIA and MS Office, then it will be an advantage for this role. So with the technical knowledge, you should be also having written and verbal communication skills where you should be able to work in a team with a problem solving skills. So if you are willing to work in the aviation industry, then this is a very good opportunity for you. Second hiring update is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for junior quality analyst role for Chennai location. So any graduate or final year candidates in any department or branches with no percentage criteria can apply for this opportunity, where you should be having excellent communication skills with the willingness to work in a different shifts. You should be also having basic knowledge in MS Office, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint with good analytical and reasoning skills. So this is a graduate hiring where graduate must apply for this opportunity. Third hiring update is from Tata AIA Life Insurance. They are hiring for Nagpur location for the duration of 2 months. So basically this is an intensive opportunity where you will be getting a stipend of rupees 10,000 per month. So any graduate can apply for this opportunity. So your day-to-day responsibility will be to handle end-to-end recruitment, to handle the HR operations and to work with the onboarding team. So basically you will be working as a HR recruiter where you will be onboarding the candidates. So if you are interested, then you must apply for this opportunity before 17 July. Fourth hiring update and the last hiring for this video is from Amdocs. Amdocs is hiring for digital media technician as a freshers for Pune location. So talking about the eligibility, then you should be having your graduation on masters in media, film studies, video production, visual communication or related field. With experience of 0 to 11 months, it means freshers can apply for this opportunity where you should be passing out in 2022 or 23 batch. So talking about the skills, then you should be having excellent written and communication skills in English with a basic understanding in digital media technologies. You should be also having experience in using MS Office applications. And if you are having post experience in audio or video editing software tools like Final Cut, Premiere Pro, then it will be an advantage for this role. So these were the 4 hiring updates. According to your eligibility and criteria, you must apply for all these jobs. And also share with all your friends those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. And you can find all the job links in the description box. And if you are having any doubts, then do comment down below. Thank you.